Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Valentine's Day inspired video. We are going to be making like the window decals and stuff for Valentine's Day, and then also I found this cute idea online where starting February 1st you make a heart and you write something that you love about your child or something positive about your child, and then every day you tape one to their door until Valentine's Day. So I thought that was really cute, and that was something that I wanted to do this year. So right now I'm just making all the decals in the Cricut design space, and then I will go ahead and cut them all out and start putting them up. I'm not sure if this is true for everyone, but I just find it way easier to just design everything I have to design in design space and then go ahead and like start cutting it out and stuff instead of doing it like designing, cutting. This way you're just doing everything in one lump sum, and then I think it goes faster. Let me know what you guys do, but for me this is what works. Today I am making some decals for our dining room windows. I will also be sharing with you guys if you have this specific door. I thought this was a super cute idea. It turned out so good. Everybody loves it. My son is obsessed with it. It's just really super cute. I'm sorry it has to be a specific door, but you can always make it work for other doors as well. It's just this type of door is like perfect. And then I'm also making some cute little sayings for our bathroom mirrors, just for everybody to see in the morning, and just for like, you know, some inspiration and what's that called? Affirmations or something. So yeah. So you'll see here in a minute what I was talking about with the door. It turned out so good. Like, I don't even want to take them down anytime soon, like even after Valentine's Day. I was going to do it on our front door, but we have a Valentine's Day wreath and then on that door, and then we also have like a shade that we keep closed most of the time so people can't like see in our house. So it really wouldn't make sense to do it for the front door because nobody's really going to be able to see it. I do eventually want to do something for the front window, but for now this is what I did. This part made me laugh editing back because if you notice my face, I realized that I had the RBF going because it was so late at night and I was so tired. So I wanted to like fix it, but obviously here it just went right back to it. So I'm so sorry, you guys. I look so unapproachable, but I promise you I'm really nice and I love everybody. Now, lastly, I am just writing out all of the hearts so I can have them ready to go. This way too, I won't like forget because I am notorious for like planning big spontaneous things and then actually forgetting that I planned it and don't do it, and I really want to do it. I think he's going to love it. He loves when I do stuff like this. So I think it's going to be really good. But here I'm just writing them all out. So 14 of them, and February 1st I will start hanging them. This is the end. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that red subscribe button if you want to stick around. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!